Okay guys, quick update for Bitcoin. I'm going to give you key support and resistance levels to pay attention to. Remember, you can access all these live charts on my website, pinned in the first comment description. It's my big affiliate link that's also pinned in the first comment description as well. So for the past 4 videos, guys, I've been telling you Bitcoin was going to pump. My entire analysis was based on one ring on the DXY chart. So far that has played out beautifully. So guys, let's recap really fast. So this was a video I put up on July 12th. I said Bitcoin huge pump incoming. Listen to what I said. I'll put a link up to the video now if you want to check it out. This is the actual chart. And you can see in that video, I had it on line drawing. Notice we topped out right at this point. That's not a coincidence, guys. Put this back on candle drawing, and you can see what's going on here. We got rejected. So if the dollar continues to push down, you know, tomorrow when that data comes out, markets will get a pump, which means Bitcoin will get a pump. And I'll give you the support and resistance levels. And this is a tweet I made, guys. If you get access to the charts, you get access to our Discord. People are there 24/7, and I make posts daily, if not hourly, on Discord and Twitter. This is posted 11 hours ago. Bitcoin testing strong support, while DXY testing strong resistance. Coincidence? Hell no, it's not a coincidence. We're going to get rejected at this point. DXY is going to come down. Bitcoin's going to hold support at 19,500 and push up. So if you've been following me on Twitter and in Discord, or at least my previous videos, you knew to buy or long at 19,500. So I was telling you the DXY was going to come down, Bitcoin was going to push up. This is a video I put out on July 16th, and I was telling you the exact same thing. The DXY was coming down. I'll put a link to this video now if you want to check it out. Listen to what I said. We were struggling to get above this ring. You can see for 1, 2, 3 days, immediate candles below. We got a fake out to the upside, and we started coming back down. So I think our next support is going to be the top of this wedge. Let me make this bigger so you can see it. This is right here is going to be around 106. So again, that's why I think we got an upside for Bitcoin. This is going to continue down potentially, right? Rings are potential reversal points. Notice this ring right here. Let me just zoom out and show you this in the bigger picture. If you notice this, let me get rid of some of this, guys, so you can see this. But notice this fib circle. We hit this point, we got rejected. Notice we found support on it, hit it, got rejected, hit this, got rejected, found support, it was resistance. We hit this point, look at all that resistance right there. Hit this ring, rejected, 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 came down, found support, resistance, right? We hit this ring and bounced right off of it. This ring right here, you can see when we pushed up, we went sideways, came down, look what happened, we had the next ring. All right, hold on, guys. Apologize, I didn't plan this out too well, and my mouse is like not working. And this ring right here, all right, so again, we pushed above it a bit, but rings are indicators for reversal points. We did push above it a bit, but notice we had a drop. That's why I'm saying, and I've been saying, that potentially we have some downside for the DXY. I'm bullish on the DXY. I think we're going to go much higher, but it's possible if we retrace back down, hold support around 106. That would be the retrace from this ring, and then we push up to some higher targets because, again, I do not think inflation has peaked. I think the stock market has a lot more downside, so the DXY is going to push up. So again, telling you, the DXY was going to come down, and I'm giving you your next point to potentially sell or short Bitcoin when the DXY comes down to 106. That is your target. This was the same video a little further in. I gave you your next resistance level on 01 chart. Listen to what I said. On the 01, this is the 01 chart. So you can see we found perfect support there. Your next major resistance above is up here around 22,400. Make this red. And let's go. So 22,415, that was on the 01 chart. And made a post about this in Twitter as well. Remember to get access to the charts, get access to Discord and Twitter. And I can come back down. This is A1 chart. This A1 chart also nailed the bottom almost exactly where we pushed up. So you had an entry point at 20,787. And you can see we pushed up, and look at that. The 01 chart, 22,490. Remember, it's at an angle. Further it goes, higher price. But we hit this almost at a tick and got rejected. And you can see currently we're coming down from this point. So you knew we're too long. You knew where to put in a short. This has been a great scalp short. I do think we still have some more upside. I'm going to cover this as well. This is A1 chart I just showed you. We hit this almost to the dollar and pushed up. And guys, as I've been saying, this ring right here, this is my entire analysis is based on this ring. This ring would send the DXY down, which meant Bitcoin would push up. This is published on July 12th. I'm going to hit play so you can see. Notice that we started coming down. This is the actual live chart. So you can see how much we've already come down. That's what I'm saying. Once we come down to 106, that will be the point that DXY starts pushing back up, and that will be bearish for Bitcoin, which means Bitcoin will start coming down. This was further into that same video. Just listen to what I said. I was giving you the point that I'm going to short. So your next and this makes sense. If we continue up and the DXY continues down, your first target is around 22,874, right? This is that support level told you to buy at 19,600 too long. The next point to watch is 22,874. If we get above that, guys, I'm telling you, the absolute top. This fib channel line, right? This line right here, this green line, goes back since the beginning of Bitcoin. This is a very important support and resistance level. So if we push up, I'm going in a heavy ass short, depending when you make contact. You know, right here is around 23,800. Out here is around 24,000. But if we do push above 22,874, which will be resistance, again, fib channel line, right? Plus you have this resistance level right here. That's a lot of confluence for 22,874 to put in a short, but if you do get above that and hold support, I think this will be the final bull trap up to 24,000 for you. So I've been preparing you. I told you to pay attention. We're going to have a retrace through the DXY, which means Bitcoin could pump. I told you the points I'm going in a heavy short. You can see currently we got rejected pretty much the 200-week moving average. Again, if we push up, your first point to short is around 22,849. However, if we get above that point, this is where I'm going in a heavy short. So guys, I've been preparing you. This is a C1. This is a C1 chart. So your current support right now, if we come back down to enter it long, is around 21,864. Look at the confluence, guys. This is a C1 chart. We got two fib channel lines intersecting around 23,900. Right on par, which that actually gives you probably a timing when we hit that target. So again, a lot of charts showing 23,950-ish is the top. This is the H1 chart. You can see your current support is right down here around 22,050. And again, just like I showed you, 22,800, that is right on par with our first resistance right here if we push up. Let's go on. Let's see. So this is the G1 chart. Your current support right down here, close to 21,800. Another chart, guys, 23,900. I think is the top. It's going in a heavy ass short. This is where I told you to buy it down here at 19,200 and gave you a second entry point at 19,600. This is the O1 chart. You can see again, these charts, your support and resistance levels are already mapped out. So you know you could have longed from down here at 20,570, and I gave you your point too short right here. I mean, that was almost to the dollar. So guys, if you do want to sign up, my big affiliate link is pinned first comment description. You can do up to 125 times leverage. If you do want to do swing trading, guys, I suggest you do the simulated trades version first, just so you can actually get a idea how it works. I do have a tutorial for simulated trades. When you sign up for BitGet, you get 3,000 SUSDT as fake money, so you can practice doing longing and shorting, setting a stop loss. When you feel comfortable with it, then I would suggest going in and actually using the platform, trade with real money. But it's important that you know what you're doing before you use your real money to trade with. I'll put a link with this video now if you want to check it out. Remember, you can access all these live charts on the website, pinned first comment description. $49 a month, get access to Bitcoin charts, altcoin charts, Discord, and Twitter. Guys, that's it. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.